Hey everybody, welcome back. I got the front of the Miata engine off and I'm about to get this area fixed up. I got a new gear, I'll show you in a second. Anyway, this is the disassembled front. Valve covers off. Cams are locked together. Let's go look at the parts. So I'm gonna take you back on the side yard and let me show you what I have over here. So I repainted the valve cover. It was painted blue to match the car, but it was kind of scratched up. So I stripped it, cleaned it up, and I painted this with exhaust paint. This is the Eastwood exhaust paint, silver matte, goes on really nice, 2 coats, and then I baked it in the barbecue. Cranked it up to 350, left it for a few minutes, and then let it cool down. I also ordered, well, this is the original. I repainted with some plastic paint. I had to order a right side gasket. Left one's okay. I'm waiting on the right one. Ordered new 2-piece bottom, timing, assembly cover. It's okay, made in China stuff. Hope it fits okay. Cleaned up all the bolts, ran them through the ultrasonic cleaner, and then I chased them all down. So valve cover, and then this is the old harmonic balancer bolt or crank bolt, and it's kind of wrecked. You can see there, it's almost round, which I think might have been part of the problem. Whoever was wrenching on this before probably used the wrong size socket or something. I don't know how you do that to a crank bolt, but it was not torqued down to spec. It was pretty easy to take off, which is why I had harmonic balancer or crank pulley wobble, which is what this is all about. I'm going to show you the components I'm going to use. So this is the crank pulley I took off. I painted it. You know, why not? Fixed it up a little. I'm going to see if this will work. I think I have I'm not even sure. I think I have another one on the way. I can't find the order. My intention was to replace this, but I'll put it on. If it works, it works. This is a back plate. It's a piece of cast, and I cleaned this up, chased all the threads. This is just a plate that goes on there, and then this goes on top of that. I ordered new bolts. These are grade, what are they? 10.5 or 9.10 or something. Anyway, they're full thread bolts, a little bit different than the stock, but I just want to put in some new bolts. I also am using this Miata crankshaft saver product. This is a non-stock, this third-party piece, and it goes on the end of the crank. I'll show this to you in the other video when I get ready to do it. But this extends the key slot, and you can see how much longer the key is. This is the stock key, and this is the key that goes with the crank saver. So you basically you're adding to the snout of the crank, and then you're extending the key out, and that all is happening, you know, under this and in conjunction with the crank pulley. Just the idea is with this is to give this some more support, and thereby the crank pulley more support, and stabilize it, make sure everything's working well. I did buy a new pulley gear. You know, the other one is here. It was okay, but somebody took a chunk out of it. I guess they were hungry, so they took a little bite out of it, that's not good. I mean, it's gonna, at the very least, it's going to change the weight distribution a little and the balance. It's just weird. I don't know. You know, just replace it. It's not that expensive. That's the part. I also made this tool. You can buy these tools. You can buy things that are like this. You can buy things that do the same thing. Basically, I'm not going to put this in because I just painted this and it's still curing. But basically, this will go like that down in there. It actually does fit down in there. There we go. So that goes down in there, and then the upper part rests against the water pump, the coolant pump nose. So when you go to tighten it, that'll keep the pulley. Yeah, you guys can look it up. Anyway, I made this out of some Home Depot metal I got. I think the piece of metal was 20 bucks. This is only half of it though, so I still have the rest for another item that I'll hopefully only use once. And that's it. I did buy this metric tap and die kind of set. Well, it's not really tap and die. It's just for chasing holes and bolts and stuff. Anything with threads. I got that because I didn't have any metric. Mostly working on Chevys. So I can use that in the future. Anyway, that's what's going on over here today. Repainted the power steering. No, actually, this is the AC pulley. No, I'm sorry. This is the water. What am I talking about? This is the water pump pulley. Hey, nice, huh? Shot some. Oh, don't look at the back. You know what? One of the old. I threw it out. Actually, it was the wrong size. One of these bolts with the timing cover was down behind this, and that's what it was doing. Isn't that nice? It's like bouncing around behind the water pump pulley. Great, nice job, guys. Nice engine rebuilding. Anyway, this is the side that sticks out, so I'm painting that. Got it all ready to go, and I'll make another video when I'm putting it back together. If I feel like it, I don't know. Maybe I'll just show you when it's done. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. Thanks for watching. See you soon.